Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court regarding specifying of the limb by the assessing officer in the penalty proceedings, that whether the penalty is for concealment of income or for furnishing of inaccurate particulars. The issue before the court was that if the specific limb is not specified, or if the assessee is not put on hold or put on stand, that what the assessee has to explain to the assessee, whether in regard to the furnishing of inaccurate particulars or regarding the concealment of income, so whether in that case penalty proceedings are valid. This issue has been decided by the court in the case of Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus BlackRock Securities Private Limited. And this case is reported in 483 ITR at page number 731, and the date of the judgment is 24th November 2023. In the present case, the facts are like this. The assessment year is 1415. In the present case, when the assessment order was passed, in that assessment order, there was lack of clarity in the order regarding the penalty. Even the assessment order and even the penalty order was not specifying the limb under which the penalty proceedings has been initiated or under which limb the penalty is being imposed on the assessee. The tribunal has already deleted the penalty, so the matter was before the court, and when the matter was before the court said that imposition of penalty entails several consequences on the assessee. The assessee should be told well in advance that what is being put against him, and the court said that it is very essential for the authority to tell about the penalty proceedings to the assessee, that which limb is attracted in the given facts and circumstances. The court said that the penalty proceedings includes pecuniary burden, which may vary depending upon whether the penalty is for concealment or whether the penalty is for inaccurate particulars. The court said that the penalty is always heavier when there is allegation of concealment of income, in contrast to the penalty in case when the assessee has furnished inaccurate particulars. So there may be situation where both the inaccurate particulars are there and the concealment of income is there. So in that case also, it is the duty of the assessing officer to tell the assessee that the penalty is going to be imposed for both the factors, that is concealment of income and furnishing of inaccurate particulars. So the notice should allude this fact to the assessee that the penalty is going to be imposed for both the factors. The court said that in the present case, the tribunal has rightly deleted the penalty because both the penalty order and the assessment order was not specifying the limb under which the penalty has been imposed on the assessee. In the present case, the court relied on the judgment of Commissioner of Income Tax versus SSA Amarlad, which is a 2015 judgment and which has been decided by Supreme Court. The another judgment which was relied on was Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Unitech Reliable Projects, which is 2024 judgment of Honorable Delhi High Court. And one very leading judgment on this aspect is of Karnataka High Court, that is Commissioner of Income Tax versus Manjunatha Cotton and Ginning Factory, which is 2013 judgment. Friends, the same analogy which is there for the limb in section 271 subsection 1 clause C also applies for the penalty proceedings under section 270A. Like in section 271 subsection 1 clause C, there is concealment or furnishing of inaccurate particulars. Similarly, in section 270A, there is misreporting and underreporting. And even in underreporting and misreporting, there are clauses. So a number of the cases are coming from the various tribunals and from the various courts where it has been regularly upheld that even the assessing officer does not specify that under which subhead the case of the assessee falls. In that case also, the penalty proceedings are bad in law. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus BlackRock Securities Private Limited, and this case is reported in 483 ITR at page number 731, and the date of the judgment is 24th November 2023.